G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's. Today I want to show you this 3-piece titanium Cedar Summit cutlery set.
Hit it.
This cutlery is lightweight and durable, made of titanium with an anodised finish. It's corrosion resistant and dishwasher safe. Before we dive into this product, there is loads more content like this on our YouTube channel, so make sure you like and subscribe and you'll get notified of all of our latest content. Now let's jump in. If you're looking for a lightweight cutlery set to go in your hiking kit in particular that sort of closely resembles what you've got at home but doesn't weigh your pack down, then this titanium kit from Cedar Summit is a really good option. They're durable and strong whilst only weighing about 40 grams for the entire kit. Now when you buy it, it comes on this little backing plate here, and you do get this little carabiner, so don't throw this out without taking the carabiner off. And the carabiner allows you to attach these through the loops at the bottom here to keep them all secure in your pack. Now, it's a titanium that it's made of, so they're not the cheapest cutlery set, but certainly the lightest. It's only 40 grams for the whole kit, and it's got a hard anodized finish on it. Makes it food safe, also corrosion resistant, and suitable to throw in the dishwasher. They're about 17 centimeters in length from end to end, slight difference between each one, and they nest reasonably well together like this. They don't necessarily nest perfectly, but throw it in your pack like that, and you've only got 40 grams with a cutlery set that's got a handle long enough to get your whole hand around. It's not a half sort of length handle. Really nice to use, full length. This has got a serrated edge on the knife here, so you're going to be able to cut through whatever it is you're cooking when you're hiking. You're unlikely to be doing a steak, but you could be cutting bread or wraps or something like that. You've got that serrated edge on it. But that is the 3-piece titanium cutlery set by Cedar Summit. Check it out online at snowys.com.au.